Well, a lot is happening, and it's happening fast. Today, SEIU, the largest healthcare union in the state, announced a petition to make sure nursing home workers are protected with proper PPE. They're calling on state leaders to step up. This, as the state faces allegations from families about a lack of transparency. From bad to worse, the number of nursing homes in Connecticut with at least one COVID infection jumped from 73 Tuesday to 80 Wednesday.
We're being very swift about having COVID-only wings and COVID-only facilities.
But perhaps not swift enough. Still no official list of COVID-only homes. Apple Rehab said independently their Westfield facility in Meriden will be the first. Golden Hill in Milford wants to be another.
We had asked that our stepfather be tested for the coronavirus, and the director, Andrew Wildman, assured us that that was not necessary, that he just had pneumonia.
Golden Hill is where at least 44 residents have tested positive. Lisa B's stepdad died. Her mother visited him in person just before his death.
My mother means everything to me.
Allegedly never given proper protective equipment.
It was hard enough to lose my stepfather, but the emotional burden has now been made unbearable by the fact that our mother has been exposed to the coronavirus at Golden Hill.
In response to a question about a state investigation into Golden Hill, Connecticut's Chief Operating Officer Josh Dubal had this to say.
I think it's more a reference to the assistance that's being provided right now to help ensure that that facility is stable and doing all the right things to take care of its residents.
A direct contradiction of this Department of Public Health statement that confirmed an investigation into the notification of families. And Golden Hill now claims they aren't getting funding from the state. A statement drafted through a public relations agency on Golden Hill's behalf said, quote, "The facility has been told by the state that funding is currently unavailable to us. Being a facility that represents a large minority population, we feel funding should not be withheld. We pressed the governor today."
What will you do to make sure these grief-stricken families get those specifics that they deserve?
They do deserve that. The nursing homes and the patients should be in daily contact, regular contact. Nobody stands in the way of that. We're just stopping the physical contact. I'm afraid I was strict on that going back early on. I didn't want visitations in and out of the nursing home because we wanted to make sure we could do everything we could, that we had fewer infections there. We saw what happened in Kirkland, Washington. I can probably defer to Barbara. Maybe she has a little more context on the specific cases that you have there. But families are in regular contact, just not face-to-face contact every day with their loved ones. And if we've not been as good as we could have been in dealing with those families and getting them the information needed when they need it, we're going to do better.
To East Haven now, where Mayor Joe Carfora says there are 9 confirmed COVID deaths at Whispering Pines.
Somebody's untruthful here.
He cited conflicting reports, the state telling him it's being handled, families saying it's not.
I want to know what's going on in that facility. You know, I want to know what's going on there. And I'm not going to stop until I find out what's going on there.
Mayor Carfora also told Fox 61 that now 3 cases of COVID-19 have also been discovered at a second nursing home in town, Apple Rehab's Laurel Woods. For the Fox 61 News, I'm Matt Caron.